Good girls. That's Siku on the right, Mama, and her daughter Mookie on the left. Siku is 8.5. Mookie is a year old, and they run very well together. So, good girls. Let's go. Come on. Keep moving. Good babies. Good girls. Good Mookie. Yeah, good Mook. That's it. Good girls. So proud of you. So proud of you. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I don't know if I'm filming this or not, but whatever. Can't see you on the screen. Good girl, Mook. Good girl. This is just the calm before the storm. The wind is picking up. And we're supposed to get like 30 to 40 centimeters of snow overnight and tomorrow. So I thought I'll take advantage of getting on the trail before it all snows shut, and then we have to groom it first. So, good girls. Good move. Good move. Yeah.